What are the values of the Bund?
Oh, that's a good question. Well, for me, they're very high and beautiful. I mean, and just human values. I mean, it's not peculiar to the Bund, but you know, to be honest, to be proud of being Jewish, to be, you know, and you know what's called diaspora nationalism. Their motto was, you know, we fight for civil rights in the country in which we live. That was their, you know, answer to the Zionists. And they were anti-communist because they were democratic socialists. They believed in parliamentary democracy. They believed, you know, anti-Leninist, Stalinist, you know, dictatorship, so-called, of the proletariat, which was really dictatorship of Lenin and Stalin. And it was to be honest, to be proud, to be brave, to be Jewish, to be pro-Yiddish, to keep the Yiddish culture and language alive, to be socialist in a sort of European social democratic sense, to be anti-Bolshevik, anti-communist, to be anti-Zionist, because Zionism weakens the will to fight for justice in the place where you are, because you're just dreaming of going somewhere else.